Hi, I'm Classic Amy, and today, I'm going to smash this refrigerator with a baseball bat, because it looks ugly as shit. Yes, I smashed the refrigerator with a baseball bat. Now my normal clone won't have to use this stupid-ass refrigerator anymore.
Oh my god, what was that? Wait a minute, my classic clone, did you just smash the refrigerator with a baseball bat?
I have no clue what you're talking about.
My classic clone, stop lying to me, because we know you have a baseball bat in your hand. Now tell me the truth right now or else you will be grounded for a whole semester.
Okay, you caught me. Yes, I smashed the refrigerator with a baseball bat. I only did that because it looked so ugly.
You did what? Oh my god, my classic clone, what is wrong with you? How could you ever smash the refrigerator with a baseball bat? Don't you know how expensive this refrigerator was? That's it, you are grounded until I get a new refrigerator. Go to your room right now.
Or